going up having breakfast or breakfast. Good journal. This one. So many breakfast. This is Don Pepe, Mr. Pepe here.
Buongiorno.
The famous, world famous Pepe here. With a
Say hi to America.
and then this is Monica having breakfast.
Delicious breakfast. With a nice view.
See ang view, breakfast ya, money.
View. Breakfast.
With langaw.
Buongiorno.
So that one.
I miss you this morning. You come back here for more day.
Yes.
Okay.
Very
Short.
very fast.
Very fast, see?
But that's it. Maybe
This
next time
is
you will have room. Everybody wants to stay here.
I don't have room.
You got lucky, I think.
When you book, we don't have more room for more days.
No, yeah, she had to change the date because I think we were going to stay Friday.
this is ako dulo mo.
No room, so we had to change the
Good. You are not the first, not the last.
I believe it. Everyone wants to stay here.
May you book little not too early. I
No,
think.
it was like a month, not even like 3 weeks before.
That's
Yeah.
the problem.
I know.
Because a lot of people they book 2 months,
Oh.
1 month, 3 months before they book.
Mhm. Yeah, it's very popular.
Thank you, very kind.
Yes. No, thank you.
Okay.